To perform a test run, ensure that all files are placed in the same folder. Open the main file. You'll notice a custom tab with a button. Click the button to trigger UI version 1.2. In the main category, use the option buttons to load the database document in the background, importing all data into the list box. Please note that there's a limitation of a maximum of 32,768 items in the list box. Utilize the second filter option, which is subcategory. This filters the questionnaire based on the first column of the table in the database. Click on an item to preview it in the box below. Press the Insert button to copy and paste the questionnaire into the active document. Select the third filter option, which filters based on the second column. You can also double-click to insert the selected option. Use the search box to filter results by typing. It matches with the questions column from the database. Click the cross button to clear the search. Please note that the three buttons at the end are currently non-functional and are reserved for future updates.